Pantry pasta is your name. Pantry pasta puttanesca. Hey guys, I'm Megan Mitchell, and today I'm here to show you 2 sardine recipes. I know sardines can be kind of intimidating, but I'm going to show you recipes that are so simple and they will make you a sardine believer. I think that's a thing, a sardine believer. Let's get real about sardines. I never thought I'd say that, but here we are. Let's get real about sardines. And I'm using 2 different products today by Wild Planet. They have 13 grams of protein, which is awesome. And they also are very high in omega-3. So you're getting great nutrients and vitamins, and they're sustainably caught. So you don't have to worry about depleting the oceans. Another bonus is they're shelf stable and they're not crazy expensive. They're not really expensive at all. So much seafood that you buy, you worry that it's gonna go bad and you're like, I just spent so much money on it and now it's gone and it's a waste. You don't have to worry about that with sardines. For the first recipe, I'm going to make a pasta puttanesca. I kind of call this the gateway sardine recipe. And you're gonna be like, whoa, this is really good, Megan. In a hot skillet, I'm adding some extra virgin olive oil. And then I'm taking these little fillets. These are boneless and skinless. I'm gonna add 2 fillets straight into the pan. Ooh, hello, angels. And then I'm gonna mash them up so they just melt into the sauce. I'm gonna also add garlic. Saute this up. Another benefit of sardines, I feel like I'm a sardine spokesperson. I wish. They are so low on the food chain. They have a short little lifespan. They're just here to make us happy, feed some fish. So if you're worried about having too much mercury in your diet by eating too much seafood, you don't have to worry about that with sardines. Whew, I can smell that garlic. Just want to mash it up into little pieces. And that's it, done. This is all I do. Just kidding, there's more. I'm adding chili flakes. You can add as much or as little as you like. I like things a little spicier, but if you don't like spice, don't put it in. That's how easy this recipe is. You don't like it, don't put it in. You don't like sardines, put it in. Oregano. I like to use dried oregano in this. Tomato, crushed tomatoes. Oh man, please do not splatter on me. Hey, those chili flakes are making my nose itch. Good amount of freshly cracked black pepper. And be careful with seasoning the pasta sauce with salt because you are adding Kalamata olives and capers, which both have a lot of salt in them. So I like to add everything first, taste it, and then season accordingly. There's nothing worse. You can always make something more salty. You can't take the salt out. You can't take the salt out. This is a pretty quick and easy pasta sauce, if you think about it. You can just pull this stuff from your pantry, which is nice. You don't have to worry about it going bad or not having anything on hand. Let's turn up the heat a little bit, and let's let it simmer for a couple minutes. My sauce has been cooking for about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna add my linguine straight into the pan. Switch to some tongs so I can really mix this baby up. This is completely optional, but I'm adding some arugula because then I feel like I'm eating a salad with pasta. I'm like, yeah, Meg, you did it. You can have 45 helpings. So add it at the very end, and you just want it to wilt. Kind of add it in batches if you need to. And then just toss until it wilts. And you're like, oh my gosh, I had salad for dinner with like a little bit of pasta in it. Also, do not make this recipe in white clothing. And that's it. Let's see. That is so good. Salty from the calamatas and the capers. I legit don't even taste the sardines. Like, I'm not like, holy smokes, that is a fishy dish. It does not taste salty at all. Which is really good. It's that arugula, man. It really, really made the dish. So now you feel super cool with sardines because you put them in a puttanesca and you're like, what, Megan, what more? I'm feeling crazy. Let's do a whole fillet. Got a recipe for you. So this time I'm using, again, Wild Planet, but these are in water because I'm going to add some butter, so I don't need any more oil. I rinsed and drained them. I patted them dry. I tucked them into bed. Read them a story. And this is a heat-proof dish. You can put it on a sheet tray. You can put it in, you know, like a little baker, whatever you have. In here I have garlic and butter. I'm going to add chili flakes. Add as much or as little as you like. And I'm also going to add lemon zest. Make sure to hang on to this lemon when you're done because I'm going to use the juice after it comes out of the broiler. Some salt and pepper. Mix this baby up. Okay, let's pour this over the sardines. Spoon some of this over. Oh. Don't use all of the butter. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna pop this under the broiler for about 3 minutes. While my sardines broil, the remaining butter, garlic, chili flakes, lemon zest, I'm gonna add my panko to this. This is another pantry heavy dish, which is great. The only fresh thing is the butter and parsley, but most of the time you have butter in your pantry. Or no, most of the time you have butter in your fridge. If you don't have butter, you could use olive oil or any sort of neutral oil. I like the fruitiness of extra virgin, but you could use grapeseed or you could use coconut. I don't know. If you try it, let me know. I want to know if that works. Alrighty. I like to get the fish nice and bubbly and crispy and then add this at the end just to crisp up the panko. Be very careful, it will burn. I mean, I've never made that mistake ever. Back in the broiler, 1 to 2 minutes. Keep an eye on this. Close eye. Ho ho. I have flat leaf parsley. That lemon that we zested just brightens up the dish. And that's how easy it is to make the sardine recipe. If you like this video, if you like these recipes, let me know. Didn't like it, don't tell me. You can call my mom. And you can shop all of the products that I used at Thrive Market. Enjoy. Rolling.
Go. Sardines so far.